Reuse your empty cartridges by refilling. Ensure you have all materials ready before starting. Here are the materials required. Singink H400 ink, cartridge kit holder, full syringe, funnel syringe, needle, tissue paper. Use the cartridge kit holder to secure the cartridge and protect the sensor, making the unit airtight. Attach the needle to the funnel syringe. Locate the black dot on top of the cartridge and carefully pierce it halfway with the needle. Ensure the syringe remains upright throughout the process. For XL cartridges, refill with 4 milliliters of ink. Open the ink cap, pierce through the protective foil, and securely close the ink bottle. Quickly squeeze less than 4 milliliters of ink into the syringe, as the cartridge will begin to absorb ink while refilling. Remove the syringe from the cartridge after refilling. To remove air bubbles, insert the syringe into the hole located at the bottom of the kit holder. Withdraw air until you notice ink entering the syringe. Remove the cartridge from the holder. Press the bottom of the cartridge onto tissue paper until a solid line of ink appears. Your cartridge is now refilled and ready for use. The ink will not leak, even if the cartridge is shaken. To clear any clogged ink, prepare a container with a shallow layer of hot water. Soak the cartridge in the water, ensuring the water does not touch the cartridge sensor. The hot water will help dissolve any clogged ink, restoring the cartridge to optimal condition.